Good morning, everybody. Today is February 11th, Tuesday, 2020, and I've been watching the stock market this morning, and I could clearly see that the market is tired. It kind of reminded me the words that Donald Trump said when he said that if you elect me to be your president, you would be tired of winning. And actually the same exact analogy is applicable right now for the stock market. As you know, the stock market was up almost every day in the last 4 or 5 days by jumping around 100 points per day. And even like this morning, the stock market opened another 100 points up. And what I've been doing is I was buying actually puts. I've been buying puts on Dow Jones Industrial Average by buying puts on ETF that matches Dow Jones. This ETF is traded under the ticker DIG, David Iron Apple, and currently it's being traded. It opened at $294 a share. So I trade options. So you could buy options on stocks, but you could also buy options on ETFs or exchange traded funds, and that's what I do most of the time. So there's such thing as a put option. Put option allows you to sell a stock or ETF at a fixed price. So the idea behind it is that, let's say you see the stock market is tired. It's been going up for 3, 4, 5, 6 days in a row. You have mathematical analysis that basically predicts how often, based on prior history, the stock or this ETF could continue to go up. And since we have actually people trading and holding this security, right? People have emotions. People have emotions of fear and greed. These are two basic emotions that drive the stock market. So when the Dow Jones, or for that matter most stocks, if they continue to go up for several days in a row, people start to get nervous. New buyers that's supposed to push the price of the stock up are afraid to buy because they feel like they missed the jump, and now they're buying at the top just to lose some money by going through a dip. And people that have already bought the stock or ETF and who are sitting on quick and sizable profits that they accumulated over the last 3 or 4 or 5 days, they're getting nervous, and the fear kicks in that, oh my God, I'm gonna lose all the money that I just made in the last few days. So their finger is trigger happy to push the button and actually sell their positions. So today Dow Jones, or in a sense in case of DIA, opened at $294 a share. There was a small push to $294.50 up, but it didn't last long. People were scared. So what I have my bathroom is equipped actually with stock monitors, where I could see the charts of how the Dow Jones or any stock is basically moving second by second, tick by tick. So, and I've been taking a shower and this morning, and I before going to the office, and I saw how Dow Jones just went a little bit up and then started to go a very constant, very predictable decline since I was able to lock in some option puts or put options on DIA at $294 a share. I saw them gaining in value almost 50% in less than 30 minutes. When DIA started to decline from 294 to 293 and below. So what this means for you is that right now, be very cautious. You are, and the whole market actually is, at the very top bound of the price corridor in the last couple of weeks actually. So yes, we see indexes hitting all-time highs, which is great, but at the same time it's not great for buyers, because it's great for sellers because they could lock in their profits and exit something at the record prices and get the record profits, but it's not great for buyers. And remember, buyers are the ones that drive the stock market up. So right now, I would actually take the sell side of the market and start to buy put options on either major stock indexes like Dow Jones, buying puts on DIA, David, Iron, Apple, or buy put options on blue chip stocks if you want to go more granular in your investments. But for example, Dow Jones index consists of 30 blue chip stocks. These are almost like the best stocks in America, and the very solid, very major players in the industries. So, but the market has been pushed up too much, too quickly. Fear right now is outpacing greed. So the market is going to go through some sell-off. So do these things. If you want to know what to do with the rest of 5,000 stocks being traded on the stock market, please go to my website, stx.com. It will actually take you to the Apple App Store, where you could download, install, and run my app that covers 5,000 actively traded stocks with buy and sell ratings updated daily. Thank you for your time, and good luck trading.